There is full.
Right.
Yep. That's
Yep.
full. See
Yep.
that?
Yep. When it's starting.
Don't go pushing it forward and trying to put more oil in it.
Okay.
Or else. And that should last you about 2 years.
Aha. Oh, that's good.
About 50 hours rain. Just get into the habit of
Checking it.
Checking it.
Yeah. That's good to know. 2 years on the oil. I guess that's all in our.
So it's 50 hours it'll be.
I guess.
And they reckon, you know, I reckon 50 hours will be 2 years for you. I can't see you running for bloody hours and hours and hours at a time.
Well, when we have a working bee, it could work for, say, up to 2 hours, say, on the day.
Yeah.
So is it okay for that to be
Oh, yeah.
run? Yeah, because it's a.
Oh yeah, is there a maximum time it can run in one go?
No.
Oh, that's excellent.
Till it empties out of petrol.
Right.
Alright,
And-
just making sure, because like, you know, some of the other domestic things here.
And it's just ordinary unleaded fuel.
Right. Oh, that's handy too.
Green pump, green, this is green.
Don't buy the cheap one, don't buy the dear one.
Yeah, the E10, they buy that one, that's amazing. Just
Right, just the regular
Just the unleaded.
unleaded.
90, was it 92?
Bit sniffy weather, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Especially early out of the morning.
Yeah. It was raining before too, that was just rain.
And it's unlike, it's good for the garden though.
Oh, yeah.
Make a difference.
It's bonus for
At
us.
least it's not raining just at the moment.
Especially when you put the seedlings in. They stand up quick, don't they, when you get a bit
I'll
of water.
say.
The reason why I didn't put oil on that in it before I brought it down, because we laid it down to get it in.
Of course, yeah.
Right, your stuff will come out here.
Yep.
You can thread something in there as big as that,
Oh.
like wood. Alright, that goes down into your chipper.
That's your branch one, your
That's
branch
little
shoot.
branches, but that's as big as you can go. Can't go any bigger than that. That's why the bolts are in there.
Right.
That's all done, that's all done. It's on. Turn the switch on to on.
Oh, Jane, could you come around and have a look at this one?
Yep, I'll go over to here.
So we've
two
turned on
levers,
the power switch and now we're looking at the
Right.
choke.
There's the power switch. That's on. Up is on. This one here, across to the, what's name, that's your petrol on. This is your choke.
Yeah, it's opposite, I think, the choke on them ones. Yeah, that's it.
Choke on. Now it's got oil and petrol in it, that can come off.
Is it a key start as well?
No.
Oh, we haven't got a key. Oh well.
Starts easy. They're very easy.
Yeah, yeah.
Just put it on the compression.
So the
Choke off.
girl power can do it. Choke off. Yeah.
Choke on, just until it starts.
Nice and quiet too.
started it.
Someone don't
That's right.
Someone don't
That's the fine mulch. That's what you got your other bar for. To replace that, you undo your 2 pins. You pull that one and pull that pin out. Pull that pin out. Put the other grate up. Make sure no one's there trying to start it while people are doing it.
Of course, yeah.
You've got the other tip on here, right? There's another tip there, you pull this one out the side, that one on the outside side, and that way when you just pull them out. Yeah.
No rocks, no concrete, no nails. Anything with nails in, don't put it in.
Right. Well, we wouldn't be putting timber in there anyway, would we?
You'd hope
You'd be surprised.
Yeah, I know.
No, I believe
Yeah.
you.
I know a bloke that dumped a hunk of concrete in one.
Oh, what a nutcase.
That's a good one.
I don't think so.
That's it.
Right,
Excellent.
very nice.
Yeah, and did you get out? We sent our direct deposit to you yesterday.
All written down, all your receipts
Oh,
are there.
fabulous.
Your receipt, cash register receipts there.
Fabulous.
Your other written receipts there.
Oh, beautiful.
Excellent.
I'll give that part to Jan. She's our treasurer.
And then
Yeah, you can just take one pin
Oh,
out.
look at that.
Yeah, look at that, eh?
Very
You
nice.
just pick that up and take it away with you.
Look at it.
It's very neat.
Does a better job than our one at home.
Actually, that does and that one there does a finer job
And,
than someone.
The expected lifespan of it?
All depends how you treat it.
Exactly, and blade wise as well.
Oh,
So they should be sharpened every couple of years, or
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
something
definitely. Yeah,
either sharpened or replaced.
right. And you're the we'll come and see you for that. Yeah.
All right.
Wow, that's
That's
really
all I can tell you.
that's great. And look at that mulch. It's beautiful.
it is.
Yeah.
Look how fine that is. Once I show Greg that, he's going to
That's
be
all you
chucking
need
his
to put on the
Chinese
garden.
Just
job.
leave it there for him.
Look at that.
So,
Alright. Good, yeah.
well, you still go on angle like that, and you take it anywhere, you know, as long as
Yeah.
it's off there, so you can wheel it. That's all.
Right.
But it's not really heavy to wheel. And as I said, you do
Oh,
not
that's
move
great.
it while it's going.
Of course
yeah.
not. Right. We won't
Right?
do
Make
that.
sure that it is sitting on a fairly sound thing, not sitting over on the side or anything like that. You don't want to fall on anybody.
Well, once we
But they're
get
a good
sorted,
machine. They're not
yeah.
rubbish.
once we get sorted, we'll find a very good spot for it. So
All right, I'm out of here. I've got
thank
work
you.
to do.
Thank you very, very much.